Yes. Going to show you how to use Photoshop. I want you to learn Photoshop in 10 minutes only. In 10 minutes. I don't know if you are ready. Are you ready? In 10 minutes we'll be experts in Photoshop. I always deliver what I promise. So my viewers, as you can see, now we are opening our Photoshop. Let's wait for it so that you may understand how it goes for 10 minutes. Bam, here it is. Photoshop, it used to edit picture, to do many other things. So as we are continue, now you have to be careful. We are now opening our new page. Look at here. This is the interface of Photoshop. Yes. Yeah, this is, now you open new page. Make sure you rename your project so that it will be easy to access it wherever you store it. Look at, now we have our page, our portrait page. We have a landscape, we have a portrait. This one is a portrait. We are starting with a normal one, this one. So if you want to put put fonts in your layer, I will show you. Look, now we are putting words. We are putting fonts in our project. You click that T to make sure that your layer is active and it's the one you are working with. You see now, my viewer, don't forget we are putting letters, fonts into our projects. These are layers. We are typing something here. Let us type Photoshop. Tutorial in 10 minutes. Photoshop tutorials in 10 minutes. Now we have our Photoshop tutorials in 10 minutes. You can see it. Now I want to enlarge it so that you may see it clear. Now we have our fonts. Yes, we can. Yes, as you continue, I want to show you how to change color into your fonts. There's many ways, but I want to show you how to change your fonts. If you are still in the same folder, same layer, sorry. Make sure you highlight it. If you see the other side here, if you see up here, you see the color here, it's a when I click, you see it change. Select your color here, any color you want. You see red, magenta, blue, yellow, orange, black. You see, as we continue selecting, our font are changing. You see they're changing. You see, you see we have changed changed. Yes, if you click somewhere, they change according to where you have clicked. You see, look at color, look at this color. This is which color? This is blue. So we are selecting the color pinky. Let us remain with color pink for the girls. Now look, we are enlarge our fonts. We enlarge them. Let us enlarge our fonts. One can see this tutorial very easy. Yes, as you can see, you press this button here, click here, you click this one, you see this one. Yes, this one. Yes, we have it means shapes. Now go look at the face shapes. You put shapes. Very easy. You do like this. This is a rectangle. This is a rectangle. Yes, you can change color as well. Click it, change. You'll see, wow, this is another color. We have decided greens. Look at the green color, but this one is green. Wow, look at the green color. Now you click OK. Maybe you want to bring some picture from outside, maybe to your another storage. You can minimize the Photoshop and drag the other one to you drag it. Yes, you drag it. It's there. You see, yes, there's a billionaire there. Zuckerberg, Bill Gates, wow, Mark, Jack Ma, Elon Musk, the billionaires. If you know, if you learn good about Photoshop, you will be a billionaire. Want to remove something, you do it. Very easy to do it. You see, now we have our billionaires in our project. To remove something, this is very easy. Else now we are continue learning. Continue learning. We are still in school. Yes, look at we are in Photoshop. So you see when you clicking something, look at this, look at the way we are. This is our Photoshop. You see, now I want to show you how to put shapes. Use this. We drag shapes. Look at, we release it. Look at the beautiful. Another one shape. The top. You see now we have very beautiful shapes. Look at the way they look like something good. You see, we are changing color now. Changing color. Be careful. We have changed the color. Look at that. We are changing its color to be black. We are changing color. Look at our project. As a beginner now, I think it is enough. You have achieved something that very good for starts, and for start it's good. From start, something powerful. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.